Top 5 foods to detoxify the liver. Strengthen your liver. Imagine your liver as the body's ultimate multitasker working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep you healthy. It's not just about detoxifying harmful substances. Your liver also metabolizes nutrients and produces bile essential for digestion. Maintaining liver health is crucial for overall well-being, as it plays a central role in various bodily functions. However, in today's fast-paced world, our livers are constantly challenged by processed foods, environmental toxins, and lifestyle stresses. Over time, this can lead to issues like fatty liver disease, inflammation, and even cirrhosis. But here's the good news. You can support your liver's natural detoxification processes by incorporating specific foods into your diet. These foods not only nourish your liver but also enhance its ability to cleanse your body effectively. Stay tuned as we delve into each of these liver-loving foods, uncover their unique benefits, and learn how to make them a delicious part of your daily meals. Your journey to better liver health starts now. First up, let's talk about a root vegetable that's as powerful as it is colorful: beetroot. Though often overlooked, this crimson gem is a powerhouse of nutrients that can play a pivotal role in supporting liver health. Beetroot is rich in antioxidants, particularly betalains, which give it its deep red hue. These compounds are known to combat oxidative stress, a key factor in liver damage. By neutralizing harmful free radicals, betalains help protect liver cells and support overall liver function. But that's not all. Beetroot also contains nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide. This molecule aids in improving blood flow, ensuring that the liver receives ample oxygen and nutrients to perform its detoxifying duties effectively. Moreover, beetroot is a good source of betaine, a compound that supports liver function by aiding in the processing of fats and preventing the accumulation of fatty deposits. This is particularly beneficial for individuals dealing with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease (NAFLD). Incorporating beetroot into your diet can be simple and delicious. Whether you enjoy it roasted, juiced, or as a salad topping, this versatile vegetable can be a tasty addition to your meals. Just remember, moderation is key, especially for those with a history of kidney stones, due to beetroot's oxalate content. Next on our list is a citrus fruit that's as zesty as it is beneficial: grapefruit. Imagine starting your day with a vibrant, juicy grapefruit. Beyond its refreshing taste, this citrus fruit offers remarkable benefits for your liver. Grapefruit is rich in antioxidants, notably naringin and naringenin. These flavonoids are known for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which help protect liver cells from damage. They work by reducing oxidative stress and combating inflammation, two key factors that can impair liver function. But the benefits don't stop there. Research has shown that consuming grapefruit can enhance the activity of liver detoxification enzymes. These enzymes play a crucial role in breaking down toxins and facilitating their removal from the body. By boosting these enzymes, grapefruit supports the liver's natural detoxification processes, helping to keep your body clean and healthy. However, it's important to note that grapefruit can interact with certain medications. Compounds in grapefruit can inhibit the activity of cytochrome P450 enzymes, particularly CYP3A4, which are involved in the metabolism of many drugs. This inhibition can lead to higher levels of these drugs in the bloodstream, potentially causing adverse effects. Therefore, if you're taking prescription medications, it's advisable to consult with your healthcare provider before adding grapefruit to your diet. Incorporating grapefruit into your meals can be both delicious and beneficial. Enjoy it fresh, as a juice, or incorporated into salads and desserts. Its unique flavor and health-promoting properties make it a valuable addition to a liver-friendly diet. Now, let's turn our attention to a green vegetable that's a staple in many households: broccoli. Broccoli is rich in a compound called sulforaphane, a sulfur-containing phytochemical known for its powerful antioxidant properties. Sulforaphane plays a crucial role in activating phase II detoxification enzymes in the liver. These enzymes are responsible for neutralizing and eliminating harmful toxins, including carcinogens and environmental pollutants. Research has shown that sulforaphane can significantly boost the liver's ability to detoxify harmful substances, thereby protecting liver cells from damage and reducing the risk of liver-related diseases. Another critical aspect of broccoli's benefit to liver health is its role in supporting the production of glutathione. Often referred to as the body's master antioxidant, glutathione is essential for neutralizing free radicals and maintaining the oxidative balance within liver cells. Consuming broccoli has been linked to increased levels of glutathione in the liver, thereby enhancing its capacity to combat oxidative stress and inflammation. This boost in glutathione production is vital for individuals exposed to high levels of environmental toxins or those with existing liver conditions. What's truly remarkable about broccoli's impact on liver health is the longevity of its protective effects. Regular consumption of broccoli doesn't just provide a temporary boost. It leads to sustained activation of detoxification pathways and antioxidant defenses. Studies have indicated that the benefits of consuming cruciferous vegetables like broccoli can persist for weeks, offering long-term support for liver function and overall health. To maximize the liver protective benefits of broccoli, it's essential to consider how it's prepared. Lightly steaming or sorting broccoli helps preserve its sulforaphane content, ensuring you receive the maximum health benefits. Overcooking can diminish its nutritional value, so aim for a tender, crisp texture. Including broccoli in your meals several times a week can be a simple yet effective strategy to support your liver's detoxification processes. Whether added to salads, stir-fries, or enjoyed as a side dish, broccoli is a versatile and health-promoting addition to your diet. Next, we delve into a golden spice that's been revered for centuries, turmeric. The primary bioactive compound in turmeric is curcumin, which is responsible for most of its health-promoting properties. Curcumin is renowned for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These properties are particularly beneficial for the liver, an organ that plays a crucial role in detoxifying the body and metabolizing nutrients. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress are significant contributors to liver damage and diseases such as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease (NAFLD). Curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce inflammation by inhibiting the activity of inflammatory molecules like NFP. Its antioxidant capabilities allow it to neutralize free radicals, thereby protecting liver cells from oxidative damage. Curcumin has been shown to stimulate the gallbladder to produce bile, a digestive fluid essential for breaking down fats and eliminating waste products from the body. Enhanced bile production aids in the efficient digestion of fats and supports the liver's natural detoxification processes. This function is particularly beneficial for individuals with conditions like NAFLD, where fat accumulation in the liver is a concern. Regular consumption of turmeric has been linked to improved liver enzyme levels, indicating better liver function. Studies have shown that curcumin supplementation can lead to reductions in liver enzymes such as ALT and AST, which are markers of liver health. Lower levels of these enzymes suggest reduced liver inflammation and damage. NAFLD is characterized by the accumulation of excess fat in liver cells, not caused by alcohol consumption. It's a common liver disorder, especially in individuals with obesity or metabolic syndrome. Curcumin has shown promise in managing NAFLD by reducing liver fat accumulation, improving insulin resistance, and decreasing inflammation. These effects contribute to the overall improvement of liver health in affected individuals. One challenge with curcumin is its low bioavailability, meaning the body doesn't absorb it efficiently when consumed alone. To enhance absorption, it's recommended to consume turmeric with black pepper, which contains piperine. Piperine can increase curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%, making the combination significantly more effective. Additionally, consuming turmeric with healthy fats can further improve its bioavailability. Remember, while turmeric is beneficial, it's most effective as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. 5. Lemon. Lemons are renowned for their high vitamin C content, a potent antioxidant that plays a crucial role in liver health. Vitamin C aids in the production of glutathione, often referred to as the body's master antioxidant. Glutathione is essential for detoxifying harmful substances in the liver, protecting liver cells from oxidative stress, and supporting overall immune function. By boosting glutathione levels, Vitamin C helps the liver efficiently process and eliminate toxins, contributing to optimal liver performance. Incorporating lemon water into your daily routine can be a simple yet effective way to support liver function. The citric acid in lemons stimulates the liver to produce bile, a digestive fluid that aids in the breakdown of fats and the removal of waste products. Enhanced bile production facilitates smoother digestion and assists in the body's natural detoxification processes. Drinking warm lemon water, especially in the morning, can kickstart your digestive system and prepare your liver for the day's metabolic tasks. Emerging research suggests that lemon juice may have protective effects against liver damage, particularly in cases related to chronic alcohol consumption. Studies have indicated that lemon juice can reduce levels of liver enzymes such as alanine transaminase ALT and aspartate transaminase AST, which are markers of liver injury. Additionally, lemon juice's antioxidant properties help combat oxidative stress, a key factor in liver cell damage. By mitigating these harmful effects, lemon juice contributes to maintaining liver integrity and function. Adding lemons to your diet is both easy and versatile. Beyond lemon water, consider using fresh lemon juice as a salad dressing, marinating meats, or adding a splash to your favorite teas and smoothies. The zest can also be used to flavor dishes, providing both taste and nutritional benefits. Lemons, with their high vitamin C content and natural detoxifying properties, serve as a valuable ally in supporting liver health. By enhancing glutathione production, stimulating bile flow, and protecting against oxidative damage, lemons contribute to the liver's ability to detoxify the body effectively. Incorporate this zesty fruit into your daily regimen to promote a healthier liver and overall well-being. By making mindful dietary choices and embracing a holistic approach to wellness, you empower your liver to function optimally, contributing to your overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, leave a comment below, and of course, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest health tips and insights. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.